We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing pronunciations. Let's break down the pronunciation of this food name. Roast, row with st at the end, roast, roast beef. Overall, the pronunciation both in UK and US is as roast beef. We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing pronunciations. Let's break down the pronunciation of this food name. Roast, row with st at the end, roast, roast beef. Overall, the pronunciation both in UK and US is as roast beef. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.